Okay, so in the last session we have completed our VRRP. Now we'll do today the Advpn. So do you know what is Advpn and how it work? Zipa, Moz?
No, sir.
I think it will use the Active Directories file.
No, nothing like that. There is nothing related to that Active Directory. Tell me, think about Advpn, VPN. This is also a form of IPsec VPN. Where is gone England? Think about it. Try to explain what is Advpn. Have you worked ever with the Advpn?
No, actually.
No. England, we are having a multiple branches. Okay. Let me check in one more branch in Sri Lanka. Okay, Africa, right? In your country. Okay. So ADVPN is also a form of, ADVPN is also a form of one kind of IPsec VPN only. But the way of working is a little bit different. What is this is actually benefit when you are having a multiple branches, okay, with the same vendor like Fortigate only, then only you can configure the ADVPN. If you are having a Palo Alto, then all the branches should be with the ADVPN only. It will not work when you are having a different vendor, first of all. Second thing, what is the use of ADVPN? Let's suppose you are having a branch one. This is your HO. This is your HO India. Okay. This is your HO India, and it is connected with the internet. In the same way, you are having one more branch in the Pakistan, one more branch in the Australia, one more branch in England, another branch in Africa. So all are connected with the internet only. Got it? All are connected with the internet, and every branches is having their local networks. Here also in HO there is local area network. Ignore this. This is our management. This will not come under your real time. Okay. So this, just think about this link only. This is the internet link. Okay. All the branches are connected with the internet. So let's suppose I am having another this branches. So I can use IPsec VPN. IPsec VPN. Okay. IPsec VPN. So it will come like this, and we need to create tunnel between this firewall to this branch to this branch, and this branch to this branch, and this branch to this branch, this branch to HO2 BO, we can say. Okay. So in this, what it will be happen, it will just communicate from HO2 BO only. Okay. HO2 BO and BO to HO. HO2 BO and BO to HO. Like that it will communicate. But what if the BO to BO wanted to establish the communication? They wanted to try, they want to communicate. They also wanted to start communication from each other. If you're using IPsec, it will not possible when the branch BO to BO cannot reach. Okay. BO to HO only and HO to BO only can be communicated in the IPsec VPN. Got it my point? But in ADVPN, we just need to create a tunnel from HO to BOs, all the BOs, and after this, it will be automatically sync and share their routing tables. Okay, and it will what? It will start communicating from BO to BO as well. But if you are using IPsec VPN, then you need to establish one more tunnel from branch 1 to branch 3 and branch 4 to branch 1. So in this way, you need to configure. So it is like little bit hectic to configure for a network administrator. So easiest way to establish the communication from HO to BO and BO to BOs by using a ADVPN. Okay. Got it clear?
Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now come to that our topology, and this is our R1, R2, R3, R4. I will leave it this, okay. And it's start and wipe all nodes and start all nodes, okay. Start all nodes. Close this, and we have Advpn configuration also. The configuration file is it in their site? If anything, Advpn, okay. There is nothing like that. So, but we have some testing purpose. Let me start all these things. So this is the router. This is also router. And these all are routers only that we are using in the system. Okay. So this will become our India. This will become our India. Okay. India HO. Okay. So now R1. R1 and internet. This error because of so many are there. That's the reason. Internet. And R3 will become our Pak local, Pakistan location, local area network. Okay. So Pakistan local. This is our Australia local. Australia local. And this is our England local. And this is our Africa local. Okay. This is our Africa local. Got it? So let's start the configuration from R1. Okay. So enable configuration terminal, no IP domain lookup. Okay. Interface, Firstnet 0 by 0 IP address 192.168.101.100 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay. And default route, IP route towards our 192.0.0.0.0 and 0.0.0.0.0 192.168.101.1 255. Not 255. That's it. Okay. End. Got it. Now go to the internet. How many networks are there in the internet? 4 networks. Okay. Enable configuration terminal interface first Ethernet 2 by 1 IP address 101.1.1 101.1.1.1 255.255.255.0 and no. Okay. This interface no switch port we need to do. Then only it will assign IP address 101.1.1.1 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay. Interface, which interface now? 2 by 3. Okay, no switch port. And IP address will be 102.1.1.1 and 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay. Zero by 0 IP address 103.1.1.1 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay. Who is trying to join? Just allow him. 0 by 0, F 2 by 0, 2 by 0, IP address 104, 104.1.1.1, 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay, no switch port and this IP 104, okay, and no shutdown. Okay, exit interface, first Ethernet 0 by 1, IP address, what is this IP? 105.1.1.1, 105.1.1.1, 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. No shutdown. Then, okay, internet is done. Park local. So in the park local, what is our IP? Enable configuration terminal, no IP domain lookup, IP address 192.168.102.100, 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay, interface we are not chosen, right? Interface versus net 0 by 1, IP address 192.168.102.100 and 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay, fine. And IP route 0.0.0.0 and 0.0.0.0, 192.168.102.1. Fine. Then Australia local. Enable configuration terminal interface fastness 0 by 1. IP address 192.168.103.100, 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay, IP route 0.0.0.0, 192.168.103.1, right? Australia done. England. Enable configuration terminal, no IP domain lookup. IP address 192.168. What is the interface? Interface fastnet 0 by 0. IP address 192.168.104.100, 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay. And IP route 0.0.0.0 and 0.0.0.0.0, 192.168.104.1. Okay. Int. Then Africa local. Wait a minute. Enable configuration terminal, no IP domain lookup. Interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0. IP address 192.168.105.100, 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. IP route 0.0.0.0 and 0.0.0.0, 192.168.105.1. Done. Okay. So all the routers are done. Now we'll need to start from India, Pakistan, and now we'll configure all these routers. Okay. So India, admin, config system interface, edit port number which one? Port number 2, and port number 2 is a 101.1.100. Port number 1, it is a port number 1. Okay, not port number 1, it is a port number 2. Exit, not exit in. Config system interface, edit port number 2. Set allow access ping. Okay. Set mode static. Set IP 101.1.1.100/24, right? 101.1.1.100/24. Fine. And what is the port number 1? Port number 1 is also there. So next, edit port number 1, set mode static, set IP 192.168.101.1/24, set allow access ping. Okay. Next, ind. Fine. India, HO. Done the configuration. India, HO.
India HO local.
No, it is a firewall.
Okay.
The firewall. Okay. Now configure the Pakistan. Rename Pak. Name Australia. Rename England. Africa. Africa. India HO. Done. Pakistan. We have to do admin, admin, admin. Config system interface. Edit port number 2. Set set allow access ping. Okay. Set mode static. Set IP 102.1.1.100/24. Okay. And the next, edit port number 1. Port number 1. Set allow access. Set allow access ping. Set mode static. Set IP. What is that? Set IP 192.168.102.1/24. And the port number next, edit port number 3. Set mode DSCP. Okay. Set allow access ping, because port number 3 is our management, which is connected to this one, right? Then go to the Australia, admin, admin, and the admin. Config system interface. What is this? Config system interface. Edit port number 1. Set mode static. Set allow access ping. Set IP 192.168.103.100/24. Okay, port number 1 is done. 103 dot, what is the IP? Oh, sorry, wrong IP. Port number 1.
Yeah, wrong IP.
Port 1. Unset
T-
IP.
okay.
Unset IP. Okay. So set IP 192.168.103.1/24. Okay. Set allow set mode static. Set mode static. Set allow access ping. Okay. That's it. And the next, edit port number 2. Port number 2. Set allow access ping. Set mode static. Set IP. What is the IP? 103.100, 103.1.1.100/24. Okay. Set after that. Next, edit port number 3. Port number 3. Set mode DSCP. Set allow access ping. Okay. Next, nothing is there. End. Okay. Now go to the England. England. Admin. 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 Config system interface. Edit port number 1. Set mode static. Set mode static. Set IP 192.168.104.1/24. Okay. Set ping. Set allow access ping.
Allow
Okay.
access ping.
Next, edit port number 2. Set mode static. Set allow access ping. Set IP 104.1.1.100, if I'm not wrong. 104.1.100, correct?
Yes.
Which interface? In which interface we are?
England. Okay.
Which interface? Port number 2 only, right? Slash
Hmm.
24. Fine. Next, edit port number 3. Set allow access ping. Okay, set set mode DSCP.
Set mode DSCP.
Next, Africa. Not only that, set allow access ping HTTPS HTTP. All these things we need to do. Okay. Okay, go to the Africa first. Admin, and the admin. Config system interface. Edit port number 1. Set mode is static. Set allow access ping. Okay, set IP 192.168.105.1. Port number 1, 105./24. And next, edit port number 3. Next, edit port number edit what edit port number 2, 3. Set allow access ping HTTPS HTTP and set IP 105.1.1.100/24. Set allow access ping HTTPS HTTP. Okay. Then port number 2 is a 105.1. Was it wrong? Port number 3. Unset IP. Okay. And set mode DSCP. Next, edit port number 2. Set allow access ping and set mode static. Set port number 2. Set IP 105.1.1.100/24. Okay. Set allow access ping HTTPS HTTP. Okay. Okay. Anything else I'm missing?
Port 3.
Port 3 is already done. No?
Okay.
Next, edit port number 3. Set allow access ping HTTPS. Okay.
DSCP.
Pakistan. No, DSCP is already done. Admin. The Pakistan config system interface, edit port number 3. Set allow access ping HTTPS HTTP. Okay. In Australia also, port number 3. Config system interface, edit port number 1, 2, 3. Set allow access ping HTTPS HTTP. If I missed, that's why I'm repeating. Okay. By any chance. Config, no, yes, set allow access ping HTTPS HTTP because already we're in the port number 3. Africa, done. Config system interface, edit port number 3. Set allow access HTTPS HTTP ping and set mode DSCP for that. We don't want to take a risk. Okay, go to the India. Admin, source system interface, question mark. What is the IP? 75.3. Okay, port number 3, we need to configure here. Config system interface, edit port number 3. Set allow access ping HTTPS HTTP. Set mode DSCP, right? And end. This is a port number 3. Wait for a minute. Meanwhile, check for other firewalls. Pakistan, source system interface, question mark. 192.168. Anything? 75 port number 3 is no IP. It is not taking IP, right? Config system interface, edit port number 3. Set mode DSCP. Okay. Set mode DSCP. Set allow access ping HTTP. End. So system interface. 192.168.75.157. 192.157, right? So this is our India. Admin. Don't save. So password, don't save. Later. Okay. Status. India. Okay. Light. Go to the port number 1 and the interface. Port number 3. Manual. Okay. Then after that, we have a Pakistan. So system interface brief. So system interface question mark 192.168.75.158. 192.168.158, right? 57
Yes.
here. So 158 here. 158. Admin. Then don't save. Wazifa Moz.
Yes, we are here, sir.
Yes, I'm following, sir.
Okay. Network interface. Manual. This Pakistan. Then Australia. No, we already having, right? Australia. This side. So system. Australia. So system interface question mark 75.150 है ना 192.150. Admin. Later. Which location? Australia, right? The US. And the network interface.
Static.
Manual.
Manual.
Okay. Then to that, which branch? Inland. So admin. So system interface question mark 75.156. 192.156. Okay. Admin. Don't save. Later. Okay. network interface, okay, status, which brand? England, right?
Yes.
England. Then last one is Africa. Admin, source system interface, question mark 75.155. 155. Admin. Don't save. Later. Okay. And network interface. Manual. Okay. Okay. Status. And Africa. Mute yourself. Africa. Okay.
Okay.
So all the config, all the location we are done, right? So now we start configuring from the India side. Admin. So first we'll do our 101.1.1. So static route only we need to do. Static routes. Here also we need to do the static routes in the another third one. Okay. So let's begin from here. Static routes. Create new. One 101.1.1, right? So 101.1.1.1. Port number 2. And along with we'll do what? VPN. Desired. This will be our HO, right? So go to hub and spoke. Click on this hub and spoke. Type here India HO. Okay, India HO, and it will become your hub or spoke. It will be a hub. So we'll choose in the role. We need to select HO hub only. Okay. Next interface, incoming interface. The packet will come from port number 2. So incoming interface.
There
Port number 2.
again this point hub.
Huh? We are choosing as a hub and spoke. Na hub. Hub means HO.
Okay.
And rest are our spoke. Okay.
Okay.
Then Next, incoming interface, bit port number 2, password is a Fortinet. Okay, I chosen the Fortinet as a password. Okay, next. So 10, this will come by default. Okay, 10.10.1, you can change it also as per your requirement. Okay, so I can use the till 254 we can use. Okay, whenever the user will connect by using this VPN, then they will get this range IP 10.10.series IP they will receive on their machine. Okay, local interface, which is the local interface port number 1, right? So we need to choose the port number 1, IP address automatically it will come. Local subnet, nothing more than that, only single we are having. If you are having a multiple one, then you need to choose a multiple one. Okay, and that next, and it is created. Okay, you need to create. Once you create, okay, add another. Sorry, we have to do add another. Somewhere I missed. Cancel. Just cancel this and go to that VPN wizard. Cancel. Why? I chosen a wrong. We need to select multiple one. Okay. So when I spoke, basic tunnel. We have to delete this. India to HO. We need to delete. It is in use already in use. Where it is in use? Current users. India HO spoke. India HO spoke. Okay. Automatically policy will create it. Okay. Firewall policy. We need to delete and we need to. I forgot to use that option. Just a minute. I'll show you what I forgot. 1 and 2. This we need to delete. Okay. Static routes is there. Static routes, nothing is there. VPN. Go to the tunnel. Sure, delete this. Create new basic wizard. It will become our hub and spoke. So it will be a hub and India HO. Okay. Next, port number 2. The traffic will come from the port number 2 and it will be the password will be a Fortinet. Next, 10 series and local interface will be port number our
So IP 254 you add now?
no, port number 1. Remember this one 225. Oh, that we can use or not use, that is up to you. Okay. In
Okay.
other I will use 65400 is a BGP. Okay, BGP attributes AAS number. Okay, so it come automatically whenever you is using this one that Haben spoke. Okay, Advpn. So how many local networks we are having? A single local area networks. How many tunnels we are having? We are having how many tunnels we need to create? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So 4 tunnel we need to create. You can create multiple tunnels as well. 2, 3, and the 4, 5, 6, like that you can create. Okay, up to 255 you can create. Got it? Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
fine.
Sir.
So now, what is the benefit of this? I will tell you why we are using add, why we are adding this. Then next, then create. So now we are getting some keys here. Look, this will become for branch 1, branch 2, branch 3, 4, 5, 6. It is not mandatory like it is a branch 1 means for this one only. You can use any key with anyone, but you have to be used with the single one only. Okay, these keys. I'll show you here in the PK, Pakistan. Network interface. Port number 3, that is done. Static routes we need to do. Connected with 102.1.1.1. So create new and 102.1.1.1. Okay, port number 2. VPN wizard to POK to Pakistan to India. Okay. When spoke, so this time role will be a spoke. Okay. So now this key we need is the configuration key. So this is asking about these keys. Okay. These keys. Copy any keys, but you have to use with the single one. So we'll go with the sequence one, copied and paste it here. Okay. Paste it here, apply. Okay. Next. Port number 2 automatically is choose and the password is a Fortigate. Okay. Check the password once again. Fortigate. Next. Next, if you wanted to change, you can change. Okay. That's up to you. Next. Local interface, port number, which port number is a local interface? Port number 1, and port number 2 is a outgoing. So port number 1, okay. So port number 1 and the IP we have chosen, okay. Local subnet we chosen already. It will select automatically, so it is created. Okay. Tunnel is up. Tunnel is up. Okay. So phase 1 interface. Okay, that's fine. Now we go to this interface. Which branch? After that, we have another branch. That branch is Australia, right? So in the Australia, static routes we need to do 103.1.1.1, 103.1.1.1, right? So we'll use 103.1.1.1, port number 2. Okay, fine. Now go to the VPN wizard. When spoke. Okay, so Australia to India. The key again it is requiring for we can use second key this time, and we'll use this into this one. Line next. Fortigate. Password will be Fortigate. Okay. Next. If you want to change, you can change. Interface, port number 1 only. Might be port number 1 only I'm using. Okay. So port number 1. That's it. Okay. Next. Create. Then. Now this interface, which brand? England and Africa. So England gateway will be for 104.1.1.1, right? So our gateway will be network and static routes. One 104.1.1.1, port number 2. Okay. Policy and object. Not required. Not firewall. Right? It will automatically create. Okay. And wizard and create new. So which area we are in? England, right? So we'll go to the England to India. ENG to India. Okay. Now when I spoke, it will be also spoke. And next, where is the key? Key will be like this. This is our third key. So we can use here. Okay. Remember, this key is a very important. You need to save it. Okay. Fortigate. Password I'm using is the Fortigate. Next. Next. Port number 1. Next. And created. Last one. Okay. Okay. Fine. Static routes. Africa. So 105.1.1.1. 105.1.1.1. 105.1.1.1. Static route done. Now we'll have to go for the VPN wizard. So Africa to India. Okay. Haven't spoke, so this will be also our spoke. Now go to the firewall one, select the key. Okay, copy this key. Apply here. Apply. Next. Here. Fortigate. Okay. Next. Port number 1. Next. Create. Okay. Done. Okay, so we'll go to the India. Okay, now go to that dashboard and go to that add monitor, and here IPsec. So if you add this wizard, okay, then now go to the dashboard, go to the IPsec monitor. How many networks? India to HO, India to HO only. It is showing, right? 102, 103, 104, 105. How many more other branch we are having? 4 branches, right? 1, 2, 3, and 4 branches we are having, correct? So it is 102, 103, 104, and 105. So 102, 103, and 104 and 105. With this, it is created tunnel. HO is created tunnel with all this, okay? Now, if you check the same thing in other BO, okay, it will show their own self. It will not show by a branch. Okay. It will not show other tunnels like 3, 4 tunnels. It will not show. Here, if you check in the dashboard, in the add monitor, IPsec, add monitor, IPsec, don't save. Look, here it is showing India only, right? Australia to India only. Here also it will show dashboard and the IPsec. But in HO only you can get all the branches details. But in BOS you'll get the HO details only. Okay. In here also if you check you'll get the India. Okay. Park to India. Like this you'll get here also. Okay. Dashboard. Add monitor. IPsec. Done. Add monitor. Okay. Here also go and check here dashboard, and if you check this is in our England branch. Okay, so here you can find only England branch details. Okay, England to India. So in this one we are having another one. So IPsec, and this is done. Add monitor, done. Now this is a dashboard. Go to the IPsec monitor and don't save. IPsec monitor. After this you'll have to, yeah, this is Africa to India. Now check the tunnels. Okay, here in the VPN and create a IPsec tunnel. So inactive. India to HO is inactive. Dial-up connection. Something is getting wrong like that. It is telling, right? Now we'll have to send some packet from 192 our gateway 192.168.101.100 to 101.1.1.1. 101.1.1.1. Admin. Here from here local. Okay. Let's suppose from India I'm able to reach or not. Okay. Admin. So execute ping 192.168.102.1. So it is reaching, right? 102.1 from India, and it will reach to 100 as well. Okay. In the same way, India to 192.168.103.1. reaching 102.3.100. Okay, reaching 103.4.1. Okay, reaching 4.100. India is able to reach everywhere. Okay, so like 5.5.1 reaching and 5.100. It is reaching, right? From India, from this firewall, from HO firewall, we are able to reach here, 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 in everywhere. Okay, so now try to ping from Pakistan. Admin execute ping 192.168.101.100. It is reaching from here to here, 101.100, right? From Pakistan to here, from firewall to it is reaching. Now check from router from India to this one. Okay, okay, got it. So in the same way, also we can check the reachability from Pakistan firewall to execute ping 192.168.103.100. It is reaching, right? Reaching 103 after 103, 104.100. Reaching
Yes.
105.100. Reaching. Okay, so reachability is there. Okay, so in the same way, we can try to reach from R1 to our R1 to this is our R1, right?
Mm.
Ping 192.168.102.100 means Pakistan. Okay, wait a minute, it will drop some packets. Try to hit from the Pakistan local to India. Enable ping 192.168.101.100. Reaching from Pakistan to India, it is reaching. But it means something wrong in the India file, India router. Enable show IP route. If you hit 0.192.168.101.1, 101.1, 192.168.101, 0 by 0. Something wrong with this file router. Otherwise, Pakistan, if able to reach to here, then Pakistan can reach to 103.103.100. Okay, 104.100 means every branch can reach to each other. Okay,
Yeah.
105.100. So
Maybe the
branch to
gateways.
branch connectivity is working, right? So I don't know why it is not working. It should also work. Ping,
Gateway.
gateway is there. Config system, configuration, terminal, IP route, 0.0.0.0.0 and 0.0.0.0.0, 192.168.168.101.1. Okay, in done. Interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0, 0 by 0, IP address 192.168.101.100. I think we missed something on that time of the configuration of. Okay, now shutdown in. If you're missing, then it will not come, right? Ping 192.168.102.100. So still we are not able to reach the Pakistan or any other branch. 103. Try to 103. 103.100. Okay, so something wrong that during the configuration of IPsec tunnel. Okay, let me try check if it is possible. Then we'll try to resolve it, or else India to HO. Edit 104, 103, 102. Everything is there, and network port 1, port 2. Here we selected a port 2. Okay, and incoming interface we are not choosing any interface we are not choosing at that time, right? That time we are not choosing the interface. Tunnel is up. Okay, so we missed something on this during the configuration of this, so you guys can add the interface port 1 at that time. Okay, during the configuration you also need to choose the
Okay.
port 1 that we missed. Rest are fine. So this is about Advpn. Okay, any question on this? Wazifa, Hojifa and Moz.
Yeah, all good, sir. No question.
All good, sir.
Right? Mr. Trump,
Yes, sir.
fine. So I'm stopping the recording. So before recording is stopping, so we done this one also, okay, today. So the rest we'll do very soon. We'll start by the Monday for this remaining, okay. Most probably I'll try to fix it into completed this session by next week, okay. These are nothing more than this will be this will take 1 day. SDN it will take not 1 day, half an hour. Okay, let's begin with the SDN also after this recording, okay. Let me close this. Stay tuned. How's the session?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Looks good, sir.
Very perfect.
Hmm?
But I